Hey everybody, just wanting to demonstrate this Atlantean Golden 5 Vogel crystal light wand, how it's focusing these light waves hundreds of thousands of times for DNA healing. As you can see, the light is pulled into a double helix formation, and when this vibrates in your DNA, it cleans out the light that's stored in your genetics and brings it back to this very high vibrating spectrum of platinum light. This is the ultimate spiritual healing wand, ultimate light tool for restructuring DNA, amplifying light, consciousness, intention. It's like a super spiritual computer of energy. It's a great day to be able to show how this crystal collects the light, focuses it like a laser.